Okay, so has anybody ever seen this in their basement? Well, I have. I'm here to talk to you today about a brand new product called SHAADS for window treatments. And I'm in my basement right now, and as you can see, I've covered one of my basement windows with a very shoddy curtain. Torn, tattered, and basically useless. But it has served a purpose until now. Now I've come across SHAADS, a brand new product that offers me privacy as well as a beautiful, aesthetic, elegant window covering. Okay, so I just showed you how a horrible, ugly curtain was covering this window, and now we have this beautiful new product called SHAADS. So to show you how simple and easy it is to install and also remove, I'm going to take it off the window. Look at that. No privacy, right? Now we're going to put it right back on. Again, very little hardware involved, very simple to install, not even a minute to put it back on. And there you go. Privacy, fashionable, versatile. It's a SHAAD.